Flood protection devices have been distributed to residents staying near Sungei Ulu Pandan after a landslide at a nearby construction site last week caused an obstruction in the canal. These are the inflatable floodbags and portable flood barriers handed out today to residents living in Sunset Way and Sunset Drive. National Water Agency PUB says they can be quickly set up to prevent floodwaters from entering homes should that need arise. The agency is also working with building owners in the vicinity on flood preparation. It says efforts to remove the dislodged soil in the canal will take time. With rainy weather expected in the first half of this month, there might be a higher flood risk in areas upstream of the blockage. At the same time, it's monitoring the rain forecast and water levels in the canal and has urged the public to avoid using the Ulu Pandan Park connector during heavy rain.
Certain parts of the Sunset Way estate are right next to the Ulu Pandan Park connector and Sungei Ulu Pandan that you see behind me. And in fact, access to the park connector from here has been closed to facilitate repair works. That's even though the estate is several hundred meters away from the site of the landslide in Clementi. Now, authorities are warning of a higher flood risk during heavy rain due to the blockage in the canal. But residents I spoke to here didn't seem too concerned.
It hasn't rained as much of recent, but I've never seen floods ever here. It's never been a concern.
This won't happen here because it's slightly higher ground. And flooding, I don't think will happen here, even if the thing is blocked.
Meanwhile, the Housing and Development Board says it has carried out tests to check the condition of the dislodged soil. It has concluded that the channel can be safely widened to 3.5 meters in order to improve water flow and mitigate the flood risk.